Hi and welcome to my channel. You're watching Handmade Love by Rashmi, and today we're going to learn how to preserve an orange slice for eternity in resin. Stay tuned for the entire process. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell for all further notifications. So I've got this resin mold to try from TECS, that's the Element Craft Studio, and the quality of the mold is really good. First observation. Second, it is very thick, so it's perfect to do any kinds of inserts, be it floral or a fruits insert. So first up, I always do is heat up a mold a bit, and that really removes all the dust from it. Now I have mixed my resin in the ratio of 3:1. You can just study the bottle and follow the instructions over it. Then I have taken an orange slice. This is a dehydrated orange slice and available at my store. So you can hop in to my DM to order. Now once one layer of it is set, the second coat after 3 hours, I have added a little bit of more resin, and now I'm adding the gold foil to it and spreading it all over. I feel it is a little less, and then I go overboard and add lots of foil to the same piece. That's how it is, and just immerse this a bit. That 3 hour gap is really important if you do not want the orange to sink to the bottom and create air pockets. And once it's all done, I've mixed it thoroughly, all the foils, make sure they're not poking on the top, because otherwise it can lead to further process increase like sanding and stuff. Make sure you're heating it to stop the bubbles here and there if they immerse. Also make sure you use an auto bubble setting resin. Once cured, this is how it looks, and it took me 24 hours. And let's demold and see our beauty. The resin coaster looks super pretty and chic, and I hope you enjoyed the process. And I'm just using a silicone backing mat so that I don't spoil my surface of working. The gloss on it is perfect. Make sure you try all the things mentioned in the video. I will link it in the description, so make sure you check that out. And thank you so much for watching. You can check the Element Craft Studio for more supplies.